Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to add backlink in this website mindminster.com. So watch the full video. The website has domain authority 78 and page authority 66. The website age is 14 years. So it has high domain and page authority. You will find more backlink video in my YouTube channel. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. To add backlink in this website, firstly click on sign up in the right side. Then fill up everything. Put your email address, website name, then put a strong password. Now check this box. I agree to the terms. Click on sign up. Wait for a second. They sent a verification email. So check your email and activate it. Click on activate account. Now click on large company. Wait for a second. Now complete the tutorial. Give a title. Then click on enter. Now write a title. Write a topic. You need to complete the tutorial. It will take 1 minute. Now click on enter and add another topic. Now click on enter. Now drag and drop. Now click on the name in the right side, my account. Here you can add your website link. So just copy your website link and paste it here. You can also add description, your website description here. This is my website description. Now click on save changes. This way you can add backlink in this website. You will find more backlink video in my YouTube channel, so subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys.